Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the sounds of the Japanese words. If you want something, what do you say?
I would like.
をください。
I would like.
をください。
I would like.
をください。
I would like.
をください。
I would like a coffee.
コーヒーをください。
A coffee.
コーヒー。
A coffee.
コーヒー。
I would like a coffee.
コーヒーをください。
A tea.
紅茶。
A tea.
紅茶。
A tea.
紅茶。
I would like a tea.
紅茶をください。
Japanese tea.
日本茶。
Japanese tea.
日本茶。
Japan.
日本。
Japan.
日本。
Japan.
日本。
Japanese tea.
日本茶。
Tea with milk.
ミルクティー。
Ah, you say milk tea. That's the same as English.
Yes. ミルクティー。
I would like milk tea.
ミルクティーをください。
Tea with milk, please.
ミルクティーをください。
And lemon tea?
レモンティー。
Ah, that's the same too. That's easy. So I would like lemon tea.
レモンティーをください。
And sugar?
お砂糖も。
Ah, you say sugar also?
お砂糖も。
Sugar?
お砂糖。
Sugar.
お砂糖。
Sugar also?
お砂糖も。
Would you like sugar too?
お砂糖も。Now a little challenge for you. How do you order a coffee in Japanese?
Ah, coffee. Well, I'll simply say, a coffee please. Coffee o kudasai.
Be careful with the pronunciation. Although it's an English word, we say coffee.
Ah, coffee. So, coffee o kudasai.
上手です。
Jozo means well done, doesn't it?
はい、上手です。
You're not serious.
Yes, 上手です。
Oh, thank you. And desu? What does that mean exactly?
It is.
So you say, well done, it is.
Uh-huh.
You say, it is, at the end of the sentence. Ah, so, well done, it is. Jozo desu. So, do you always say it is at the end of the sentence? For example, good it is, or so it is? And how do you say so it is?
そうです。
So it is.
そうです。
So it is.
そうです。
That's right.
そうです。
So it is.
そうです。そうです。そうです。そうです。そうです。
And how do you say a beer?
ビール。
Well, that's nearly the same.
そうです。Many Japanese words borrow from the English.
Aha. A beer.
ビール。
A beer.
ビール。
I would like a beer.
ビールをください。
I would like a beer.
ビールをください。
A beer, please.
ビールをください。
And wine?
Fine.
Oh, that's the same again. Japanese is easier than I thought. So, again, a wine, please.
ワインをください。
Red wine?
赤ワイン。
Red wine.
赤ワイン。
Red.
赤。
Red.
赤。
Red.
赤。赤。赤。赤。
White.
白。
White.
白。
White wine.
白ワイン。
White wine.
白ワイン。
Rice wine.
お酒。
Rice wine.
お酒
I would like some rice wine.
お酒をください
Rice wine, please.
お酒をください
And how do you say cheers?
乾杯
Cheers.
乾杯
Kampai.
乾杯乾杯 And again a little challenge. How do you say the word Japan?
Nihon.
はいそうです And how do you say Japanese tea?
Nihon cha.
はいそうです日本茶
Nihon cha.
And how do you ask for Japanese tea?
Well, you simply say a Japanese tea, please. Nihon cha wo kudasai.
そうです上手です
Ah, I understood what you said. So desu means that's right. And jouzu desu means well done. So how do I say thank you?
ありがとう
Thank you.
ありがとう
Thank you.
ありがとう
Thank you.
ありがとうありがとうありがとうありがとうありがとうありがとうありがとうありがとうありがとう